DIY interior design. Where to start? In brief, decide on a stylistic direction, color scheme. Think over the design techniques that can be implemented considering your layout specifics and available furniture. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. If you believe that creativity is by no means your piece of cake, try acting like a professional designer, the one who finds out the client's needs and preferences before starting the project. But in this case, you will be the client. Step 1. Reveal your preferences. To make the task easier, select examples. Choose photos with your favorite interiors, furniture, decor items, or even curtains on issue-related sites, such as Pinterest. Next, critically assess your selection. Try to understand what exactly you liked in a particular photo. It may be a general stylistic solution with all the items being a nice complement to each other, or a decor color combination. Or maybe it was the wallpaper pattern or nicely arranged accessories that attracted your attention. Don't stick to one style. Choose a general direction you like best. Perhaps it will be something from modern classics. An industrial loft. Or a Scandinavian country house. Next, assess the existing decor and furniture and decide which techniques you can use and which you can't. Step 2. Decide on a color scheme. You'll need your photo selection again for this. Look at it again and select colors that you like best, which will fit into the selected design style. And don't forget about the lighting in the room. For example, if the room obviously lacks natural light, you shouldn't paint the walls dark colors. Don't try to fit a lot of bright colors into the interior. This idea will most likely fail. Instead, choose 2 or 3 main colors. The first color is for the main parts of the room. The second is an additional one intended for about 1/3 of the room. Reserve the brightest one for accents. Step 3. Select the focus elements. This may be bulky furniture, such as a sofa in the living room, an accent wall with bright wallpaper, or a renovated grandmother's floor lamp. In general, it can be any interior item which you want to attract attention to. If you don't have such elements yet and you want to buy them, then you should decide on classic items, especially if you want to use bright colors to decorate the walls. A monochrome sofa or a dining table made of solid wood will look to an advantage on such a background. Step 4. Don't forget about accents. Lighting, textiles and paintings on the walls make your home look more cozy and the interior lively. You don't have to look for expensive designer carpets and lamps. Believe me, you can buy cute things for little money. If you aren't afraid to experiment, try adding vintage items as accents. No, don't even try hanging colorful carpets on the walls. However, porcelain or bronze figurines, massive wooden radios, vases, colored glass bottles, or even an antique chandelier will look harmonious even in a modern interior. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and DIY on the channel. Subscribe and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the accessories you liked and materials you'll need to make them below the video. Good luck with your experiments and embrace the changes.